Hey folks, welcome back to our Solo Hub. Today's topic is straight from the heart. The work grind, the hustle, and the burning question, is there a better way? Let me paint a picture. You're clocking in those 9 to 5 hours, but you're feeling like a hamster on a wheel, tired, unfulfilled, and wondering, is this it? Well, my friends, you're not alone. That's why we're talking about revolutionizing the way we work in the 21st century. But first, let's get real about the problems. Problem number 1, lack of flexibility. I get it, change is scary for some bigwigs. Flexibility? Nah, let's stick to the same old, right? Problem number 2, commute stress. The endless traffic jams, the crowded subways, all contributing to that burnout cocktail. Problem number 3, burnout. It's like the unofficial badge of honor nowadays, but it's killing our creativity and passion. Problem number 4, productivity peaks and valleys. Ever feel like a productivity superstar one day and a total slacker the next? Burnouts to blame. Problem number 5, creativity constraints. We're all creative beings, but corporate walls often stifle our genius. Problem number 6, employee well-being. In the race for profits, the well-being of employees gets the short end of the stick. Problem number 7, family challenges. Work-life balance, more like work-life chaos for many. Problem number 8, overemphasis on work hours. It's not about the quality of your work, it's about how long you're glued to that desk. Problem number 9, environmental impact. Corporations, it's time to step up and go green. Our plan is counting on you. Problem number 10, time zone issues. Working across different time zones, it's a health hazard, folks. Now you might be thinking, okay, great, but what's the solution? Well, I've got 11 game changers for you. Solution number 1, result-oriented performance. Let's care about what you deliver, not how many hours you're chained to your desk. Solution number 2, flexible work hours. Work when you're most productive, it's as simple as that. Solution number 3, virtual workforce. Say hello to remote work. Let's meet in person when we really need to. Solution number 4, wellness programs. Because your health and happiness matter, period. Solution number 5, values alignment. Let's connect your work with what really matters to you. Solution number 6, eco-friendly decisions. Businesses, it's time to think about more than just profit, think green. Solution number 7, creative breaks. Breaks aren't just for coffee. They're for recharging your creative batteries. Solution number 8, hybrid work models. Mix it up, work from home, work from the office, find that sweet spot. Solution number 9, flexible leave policies. Life happens, and we get that. Let's focus on what you achieve, not how many days off you take. Solution number 10, explore alternative paths. Freelancing, consulting, coaching, there's more than one road to success. Ready to join the revolution? Hit me up in the comments. Let's get this conversation going. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more real talk like this. Together, we're reshaping the future of work. Stay awesome, and I'll catch you in the next one.